Are you aware that people are making money with Google News? Yes, if you don't know, then watch this video till the end, because today I'm gonna show you what exactly people are doing making money with Google News. Watch the entire video, don't skip. Make sure you follow the video step by step, because if you skip any part, then you're not gonna make your money. Everything is important here. You're gonna make your first $100 or even $1,000 using Google News. If you are new here, my name is Speezy, Table with Speezy. Over here I take you through financial freedom, building wealth together step by step, online hustling, real proof, no scamming. The goal is to build 3 things over here: 1, financial freedom; 2, time freedom; and 3, location freedom. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive into today's video. This entire work is gonna be simple. There's a lot of websites paying people for submitting articles. They can pay you from few dollars to even $2 per word. And if you don't know, then watch this video to the end, because I'm going to show you one website that pays you $2 per word. So let me show you the entire process we're going to cover in this video. We're going to find article on Google News. Then after that, we're going to make that article original in order for us to avoid plagiarism and copyright. After that, we're going to submit it to those websites and receive our money. Everything is simple here. So without wasting much of your time, why don't we go and find the article? Then we will proceed from there. Alright, so the very first thing we're going to do is to open our browser. Then from there, we're going to search Google News. I have already added it to my home page. So if you don't have it, you can click on this icon here, Google Apps, then click on Google News, or you can also search here googlenews.com. Alright, so you're going to open like this. So let's click on that. So think of Google News as a global news. Okay, Google gives you news related to your country, world, local, business, technology, entertainment, sports, science, health, and these are the subcategories under the science. So if you click on the science, you will see latest news related to the environment, space, physics, genetics, wildlife. Okay, whenever you click on any of the categories, you will see the subcategories. Over here we have the movies, music, blah blah blah, then. So guys, so these are the articles that we're gonna use to make money, and I will advise you to focus on one niche. Okay, so if you want to focus on one niche, then you will make a lot of money. So you can choose under the technology, the science, and the health category. In order for us to make money, let's pick any of the articles under the science. Okay, so let's browse through, pick the one that you like. All right, so I'm gonna choose this one. China releases world most detailed moon atlas video. Okay, so all I'm gonna do is to click on this. All right, so after opening, I want you to pay attention here. This is gonna separate the people who gonna make money or make their first $100 or even $1,000 from the people who are not gonna make money with this trick that I'm showing you. So when you open it, all I'm gonna do is to scroll down and copy the article. Okay, you want to avoid all these things, so just follow what I do. Copy it step by step like this. You copy, then you open a word pad or word, then you paste. Okay, so I'm going to paste it here. Then what you're going to do is to hit enter 2 times. All right, then you go back, you scroll down. You want to avoid these things. Okay, then you copy this one too, like that. We go, we paste it here. All right, then we do the same thing until we are done with the entire article. Let's copy. Then what you're gonna do is to hit enter 2 times or twice. 1, 2. Follow it well. Okay guys, very simple. So now that you have the article, all I'm gonna do is to copy everything. Alright, when you copy, then now let's move to the next website where we're gonna make this article original so that we will avoid plagiarism. Okay, so the next website is ChatGPT. all that you're going to do is to type chatgpt.com. okay, when you open ChatGPT, I want you to write this. Rewrite the blog post below to become original without plagiarism. Then you're gonna hold shift and press enter. All right, then guys, I want you to paste the article here. Then let's click send message. So ChatGPT is gonna rewrite everything, making it original. So this is the new article. Just copy the new article. Then guys, some people will be saying, is this original? So we're gonna use plagiarism checker to check if the article written by ChatGPT is original. So the next website we're gonna head over to is smallseo2.com. This is a plagiarism checker. When you come here, all that you're gonna do is to paste the article here. Then we're gonna hit on check plagiarism. All right, as you can see here, now we have plagiarism 0%, unique almost 36%. So guys, if you follow this step, then you're gonna make original article. So now as you can see, plagiarism is 0, then unique is 100%. So meaning if you follow the step well, you get original article to submit in order to make your money. Alright guys, so now that you are done with the article, let me show you the various websites that you can submit the articles in order to make your first $100 or even $1,000. So what you're gonna do is to get more articles, then submit it to the various websites. Within a day, you can submit at least 5 articles to all the websites that I'm about to show you. So without wasting much of your time, let me show you the various websites that you can submit these articles, then start earning from Google News. Alright guys, so the very first website to submit your article is called eatingwell.com. okay, so over here you can submit articles related to health, then also science. Okay, so when you come here, just create an account. Then let me show you how you can submit your article. Scroll down, then you will find their Gmail. You can come here and click on the contact and get the details on how to submit your article, but I'm gonna make everything simple for you, so you can submit the article through the Gmail that will pop up on the screen. Okay, so you submit your article here. So submit your article to this Gmail. Then the next website that we can submit our article is called Hacker Magazine. Okay, so when you come here, you can also submit any article related to coastal science and societies. All right, I will leave the Gmail on the screen, so you can submit your article through the Gmail that will pop up on the screen. Okay, and as you can see, they are paying you $1 per word. Okay, Hacker Magazine pays you $1 per word. So if you have article which contain 1,000 words, then guys, guess what, you're gonna make almost $1,000 when they accept your article. So you can send your article through this Gmail, but I will leave the Gmail too on the screen for you to submit. I want to make things simple for you. Then the next website we're gonna submit our article is called Travel Plus Leisure. Okay, as the name implies, they receive articles based on what travels and leisure. So if you are traveling to any location, you can come here and find articles related to wherever that you are going. So in order for you to submit your article, I will also provide the Gmail on the screen. So submit your article through the Gmail that will pop up on the screen. Okay, very simple. You can pause the video, then write down the Gmail. Then the next website that you can also submit your article is aap.org magazine. Okay, so when you come here, when you click here, you can see you can submit articles related to family, caregiving, travels, entertainment and style, family and relationship, personal tech, home living. There's a whole lot. All right, so all I'm gonna do is to find news related to these categories. Use ChatGPT to rewrite everything to make it original. Then you come here, submit. In order for you to submit this, guys, I will also provide the Gmail on the screen. So submit your article through the Gmail. So submit your article through this Gmail. Alright. The last website that you can submit your article is called Popular Science. Okay. So as the name implies, you can submit articles related to science, technology, environment, GS. Alright. So make sure you submit your article through the Gmail that will pop up on the screen. I'm making things simple for you. Everything is simple. So now that you know the process, let me show you how you can submit your article. So let's take this one for instance. If you are using Popular Science, when you scroll down, you see the Gmail here. Okay, so all I'm gonna do is to copy their email, then we open a new browser, then we open our Gmail. Guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel, give the video a like if it's helping you. Alright, so when you open your Gmail, click on compose. Okay, so guys, when you come here, just paste their Gmail here, then give it a title, submission of article, then copy the article, then paste it here. Alright guys, simple. Then you hit send. This is very simple. So after submitting your article, when they accept that, they will write back to you requesting your payment details, and you can go ahead and provide the requirements for them. Then from there you get your money. Everything is simple. I will advise you to submit more than 5 articles to the various platforms and start making money. Within a day you can submit more than 5 articles to those websites that I've shown you. Everything is simple. I'm not telling you to quit your entire job and focus on this side hustle that I've shown you, but rather you can do this to earn passive income. Everything is simple. So if you found this video to be helpful, give it a like, subscribe to join the community for free. You can call me Speezy, Table with Speezy. Without wasting much of your time, see you in the next video. Stay blessed.